Alrighty, so it's almost the end of the year. It is time for us to start cleaning up our portfolios. So, in order to clean up your portfolio, obviously you're going to go to whatever classroom you're in. I'm going to use fifth grade as an example, but this applies to everyone. So, classwork, click here at the top. Some of y'all still have not put your name, Christy, and your classroom teacher, and it is like week 30 something of school. Please make sure you do that. Make sure you put what you want to learn about. I want you guys to decorate. So that means changing the background, put what you want. If you can't think of anything that you want to put what you like. If you like color, awesome. Change the background to something cool. Change the text if you so choose. You can change the font to something you actually like. You can change the color to something you actually like. If you can't see a font, the best way to make it a little bit more visible is to go to Format Options and add a drop shadow in a color that will make it stand out. So you can see that hello is a little bit more visible. Also, add photos, stickers, all that. If you're on slide 2 and you still see Vincent van Gogh, replace it with either a picture of you or your favorite character. So if your favorite character is Stitch, find a fun picture of Stitch that you like and replace it. All right. If you see any slides that you never got to, like for instance in this drawing unit, press click the slide and then press the backspace button and delete it. Now, if there's words on it, don't delete it, obviously. So keep anything that we worked on, don't delete it. But if there's a slide that has nothing, obviously delete it because we never got to it. All right. Like I said, go back. You can even add words, insert text box. Tell me about your project. What was your favorite? Did you like this project? You can even add music. Insert video. If you have a favorite song, you can add it. If you put it will automatically play when I check out your portfolio. Just make your portfolio a little bit more interesting. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but this is our final way to decorate before we turn it in at the end of the year. All right, well, have a great day, and don't forget to decorate and clean up your portfolio.